Hello everyone, I am Saraswati. Welcome to my channel Humming Space. In this video, I am going to tell you the most effective way to learn English language. So, keep on watching till the end. And if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new video. Friends, put in your mind that learning language is not very difficult. You just need time. You just need patience. Then you can speak as fluent as a native speaker. If someone says you that you can't learn this language or you will not speak fluently, please don't listen to. Most people around you don't speak more than one language. You are not like that. You want to learn another language. You just need patience and you just need to do work hard. You will be surprised to know that a 3-month baby listens to our voices, watches our faces, and turns towards other voices, sounds, and music around his home. And a 6-month baby start to babble with different sounds like baba, dada, etc. Learning language is the same process. So, if you want to speak English, if you want to learn this language, first listen to a native speaker and copy them. Even if you don't understand it, just copy them. Your brain will not recognize those sounds. But before understanding anything, you must be able to recognize them. So start learning with right pronunciation and intonation. If you don't know the meaning of some words or sentences, it's okay. Just repeat them in the right way. Start with words and after that full sentences and repeat these words and sentences until you pronounce them well. Second thing, learn the most used 1,000 words of your respective language. These words will help you 90% to learn to understand that language. Start with basic sentences like go there, come here, sit down, go to the market, these types of sentences. Forget grammar. Forget written English completely because written and spoken language are two different languages. Therefore, only focus on your speaking. In my opinion, there is no faster way to learn any language. It will take time. You will not be master in any language in just 1 or 2 months. It will take time. You will have to be patient and you will do practice on daily basis. If you will do practice on daily basis, then definitely you will learn this language very well. You will speak very fluently one day. Don't leave things for tomorrow because tomorrow will never come. You have heard that practice makes a man perfect. And after a long time of practicing, your work will be appreciated. You will be fluent in English if you keep on practice. And with this motivation thought, I am going to stop my voice here. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can get motivated to make new videos for you. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.